Welcome once again. We had a slight technical issue which is being resolved by our team. Apologies for that. Continuing from where we left, we were discussing regulation states that even if child is not a settled child in the UK or a citizen of the country, but en route to settlement, you can one of the parents who doesn't have the visa but has access to see the child can make that application. So, for example, you have children living with the mother, and mother has a visa. Children also have visas. Let's say for 2.5 years under 7 years policy, but father has separated from the family and does not live with them, but has access to see his children regularly. Father can make an application on the basis that he has access to these children to see them regularly, and should be able to get a visa if all the requirements are fulfilled. Similarly, if this is the case, you can also make an application for entry clearance. So if one of the parents are outside the UK, they can also make an entry clearance application on the basis that they have access to see their children. Of course, you have to have arrangements in place either from the court or by the mutual consent of the parties in form of, I would suggest, a contract or a consent order where both parties have agreed terms and conditions as to how this contact will take place with the children. Based on that, any relevant party or applicant can make an application, even if it's entry clearance application. So just wanted to clarify that point. Obviously, if child is a European citizen or settled in the UK or basis, then that makes things a lot easier. If that is not the case, then it's not the end of the world. You can still make application. We have had a lot of successful cases, especially when, for example, children have been granted visa on the basis of reunion with an asylum seeker, or they were granted at the same time as the main asylum seeker, in this case probably mother, who could be father, and mother wants to have access to children. Either way, they can make an application and should be able to get the visa if all the requirements are met. I think we have covered all the issues we wanted to cover today. If you have any questions regarding 10 years long residence, which we have discussed, we have actually discussed previously as well this topic. It's a very hot topic nowadays because a lot of litigation is being done on this matter. Please contact us, and we should be able to help. We are keeping ourselves up to date, and we also have a lot of cases pending at the moment in Court of Appeal and upper tribunal level, so we should be able to keep you updated. If you have any questions you want to ask regarding immigration matters, please send us your questions via email. You can send them to me directly, to our team directly, to inquiries email address, to our head of immigration, Sharia Khan. Other email, you can email us to our other fee earners in immigration department. We're happy to help. We will also choose all the relevant or repetitive questions you have asked over the period of 2 weeks when we come in this program again, and we will try our best to answer all those questions. But in the meantime, please make sure that you get onto our Facebook page and like that page. By doing so, you will get regular updates from us, and any change that comes into the immigration rules and law and in UK's law, you will get that information straight away. Keep visiting our website because it's a very good tool for anyone who wants to understand immigration rules in a more simplistic way. Obviously, they are very complicated, but we have tried our best to have as much material as possible on our website, and just keep posting your questions to us, and we're happy to help. Other than that, I also want to put it out there that we have a very good team dealing with family law matters, for example. So if you have any issues related to divorce, financial settlement, you have issues related to child custody, non-molestation orders, is domestic violence involved, we want you to contact us in confidence, and we will be more than happy to help. We have a very experienced team dealing with these type of matters, and we have a very good success rate when it comes to these matters under family law. So with that, I would like to thank you for listening.